Good afternoon, sir. This is my concept video on probability and statistics. This is my topic name, some applications of linear regression. Linear regression. Linear regression analysis is used to predict the value of variable based on the value of another variable. The variable you want to predict is called the dependent variable. The variable you are using to predict the other. This form of analysis estimates the coefficients of linear equation involving one or more independent variables that best predict of the value of the dependent variable. Linear regression fits a straight line or surface that minimizes the differences between predicted and actual output values. These are simple regression, linear regression calculators that use a least squares method to discover the best fit line for a set of paired data. You can perform the linear regression method in a variety of programs and environments including R linear regression, MATLAB linear regression, sklearn linear regression, linear regression Python, Excel linear regression. Why linear regression is important? Linear regression models are relatively simple and provide an easy to interpret mathematical formula that can generate predictions. Linear regression can be applied to various areas in business and academic study. You will find that linear regression is used in everything from biological, behavioral, environmental, and social sciences to business. Linear regression models have become a proven way to scientifically and reliably predict the future. Because linear regression is a long established statistical procedure, the properties of linear regression models are well understood and can be trained very quickly. You can also use linear regression to provide better insights by covering patterns, relationships that your business colleagues might have previously seen and thought they already understood. For example, performing analysis of sales and purchase data can help you uncover specific purchasing patterns on particular days or at certain times. Insights gathered from regression analysis can help business leaders anticipate times when the company products will be in high demand. Key assumptions of effective linear regression. Assumptions to be considered for success with the linear regression analysis. For each variable, consider the number of valid cases, mean and standard deviation. For each model, consider regression coefficients, correlation matrix, part and partial correlations. Multiple R, R2, adjusted R2, change in R2, standard error of the estimate, analysis of variance table, predict values and residuals. Plots. Consider scatter plots, partial plots, histograms, and normal probability plots. Data, dependent and independent variables, should be quantitative categorical variables such as religion, major field of study, or region of residence. Need to be recorded to binary variables or other types of contrast variables. Other assumptions. For each value of the independent variable, the distribution of dependent variable must be normal. The variance of the distribution of the dependent variable should be constant for all values of the independent variable. The relationship between the dependent variable and each independent variable should be linear and all observations should be independent. Make sure your data meets linear regression assumptions. Before you attempt to perform linear regression, you need to make sure that your data can be analyzed using this procedure. Your data must pass through certain required assumptions. Here's how you can check for the assumptions. The variables should be measured at continuous level. Examples of continuous variables are time, sales, weight, and test scores. Use a scatter plot to find out quickly if there is a linear relationship between those two variables. The observations should be independent of each other. Your data should have no significant outliers. Check for homoscedasticity, a statistical concept in which the variances along the best fit linear regression line remain similar all to that line. The residuals of the best fit regression line follow normal distribution. This is my concept video, sir. Thank you.